So it is Sunday morning, and what I'm about to share with you is what I have been experiencing for the last 3 weeks here in Nha Trang from our Airbnb, our oceanfront Airbnb. So I'm across the street from the beach. We're gonna go and check this spot out. It's one of the main walking streets, one of the main areas. I love this part of Nha Trang, but enough about that. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And this is what happens between the hours of 4:30 a.m. and about 7 a.m. in the morning. Every day, especially here in Nha Trang. Okay, let's go. Okay, so first I have to get across the street. Oh, there's a crosswalk down here. Let's go to the crosswalk. Okay. Pretty much everyone is up early in the morning. Early in the morning. And they're out exercising, they're out enjoying the beach, they're spending time with friends and family, and it's something unique. So I'm just gonna show you around. This is, it's actually, I woke early this morning. It is around maybe 5:45. And again, this is Monday through Friday. Vietnamese are out. They're exercising, they're walking, they're running, they're dancing. There's music going. People are at the beach. And for a span of 2 to 3 hours, everyone's up early in the morning. So there's something beautiful. And it's young, it's old. Vietnamese. I mean, it feels as if it's 1 p.m. in the afternoon. The amount of people are on the beach right now. People are taking pictures. The amount of people. And I can understand why they're out so early. You may not be aware. It's just it gets really hot here in Nha Trang. So you can see it's a coastal city. And I've also lived in Hoi An. And it gets really hot at 8 o'clock in the morning, 9 o'clock, 10 o'clock. It's super hot. And so I can understand why they come out. But it's consistent. It's 7 days a week. They're out there just enjoying time together. And then they're gone. But also, if you miss the morning rush, morning activities, let's walk down the beach a little. They're back out at when the sun goes down, so in the evenings around 6, depending on where you are here in Nha Trang, around 6 p.m., they're back out. hanging out. Hi, running on the beach. Let's get closer to the water. I hope you're enjoying this morning walking tour as much as I am. Today's actually our last day. Okay, for some reason. Alright, I was in the process of saying it was our last day in Nha Trang. We spent about 3 total weeks. We've been in Vietnam for a month. We decided to come and hang out in Nha Trang. It's not, you'll find it's a beautiful beach city, or beach city by the beach. It's not talked about widely on YouTube or social media, but it's so worth it. Let's go back. So we're gonna jump on a flight, morning flight, head back to Ho Chi, and then wake up in 2 days. Not wake up, but in 2 days we're leaving Vietnam. On to, oh, something I gotta point out. The water is the absolute perfect temperature. The absolute perfect temperature. And this sand is considered golden sand because it's so clean. There's not an ounce of rock or pebbles, anything in this sand. Like, I'm walking on this sand. I'm gonna go and put my feet in the water. Oh my God, it is not cold, it's not warm, it's just boom. Oh my God, I understand why they're in the, oh wow. That's my building right here. We're on the 35th floor. The beautiful view of the ocean, of the beach. Look at that. Oh. Oh my God, the temperature of the water is absolutely perfect. Oh wow. You would think in the early mornings be, you know, chilly, colder, but it's not. All right, let's go and check out. It's gonna be a long video, but it's okay because this is what's happening in the morning every freaking day. This is Sunday morning. All right.
Ngày anh đến cánh hoa vườn em đã thương sẽ không còn những buồn, chúng mình mãi gắn bó suốt đời. Ngày anh đến với em, gió cũng hát lao sao cùng đàn em trong vườn xuân.
anh ơi. Ăn không?